Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If your iPhone isn't ringing when someone calls you, you're not alone. This is a surprisingly common problem, and in most cases, it has nothing to do with hardware damage. The good news is that the issue can usually be fixed in just a few minutes by adjusting the right settings. In this video, I'll walk you through the most effective solution step by step so you never miss an important call again. First, start with the most obvious but often overlooked setting, silent mode. Check the small switch on the side of your iPhone. If you see an orange line, your phone is in silent mode, which means incoming calls won't ring. Flip the switch back so the orange line disappears, then test your phone by asking someone to call you. Next, increase your ringtone volume properly. Many people turn up the volume using the side buttons, but that only adjusts media sound. To fix call volume, go to Settings, tap Sounds and Haptics, and move the ringtone and alert slider all the way up. Make sure the change with buttons option is turned on so your side buttons can control ringtone volume in the future. Another major reason your iPhone may not ring is Do Not Disturb or Focus Mode. When Focus Mode is enabled, calls can be silenced without you realizing it. Open Settings, tap Focus, and check if Do Not Disturb or any other focus mode is active. If it is, turn it off, or customize it to allow calls from everyone. Call blocking is another hidden culprit. If someone says they're calling you but your phone stays silent, their number might be blocked. Go to Settings, tap Phone, then Blocked Contacts, and make sure the caller's number isn't listed there. Removing it can instantly restore incoming call alerts. You should also check whether your ringtone is set correctly. Sometimes the ringtone is accidentally changed to none. Go to Settings, tap Sounds and Haptics, then Ringtone, and choose Allowed. Clear tone so you can hear it easily. If none of these solutions work, try restarting your iPhone. A simple reboot can fix temporary software glitches that interfere with calls. Finally, make sure your iPhone is updated to the latest iOS version by going to Settings, tapping General, and selecting Software Update. Updates often include bug fixes that resolve call-related issues. So, an iPhone that doesn't ring is usually caused by silent mode, low ringtone volume, focus mode, blocked contacts, or incorrect sound settings. By checking each of these areas carefully, you can fix the problem quickly and ensure your iPhone rings properly for every incoming call. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more easy iPhone fixes.